Hello everyone, this is Ashla Jyoti Singh and you are watching Bee Zubota. Today I am here with a new topic, bryophytes. Bryophytes are non-vascular, non-flowering plants evolved from the green algae. It is believed that bryophytes evolved from the green algae. The reason is about bryophytes found very close to the water bodies, found in the areas which are near the water bodies. Because for the reproduction, sexual reproduction, bryophytes need water. So we will see about the bryophytes where found, which type of reproduction, what is alternation of generation in the bryophytes, what are the economic importance of the bryophytes, and how many groups of bryophytes found in the nature. So come to the bryophytes. Where found bryophytes? Bryophytes are found in the damp, humid and shaded areas. Plant body of bryophytes is more differentiated than that of the algae. Leaf-like, stem-like and root-like structure present, but true roots, true stem and true leaves absent in the bryophytes. Bryophytes don't have xylem and phloem. No vascular bundles present in the bryophytes. Bryophytes have short height. Tallest bryophyte is Dawsonia, about 50 centimeter in height, and shortest bryophyte is Zoopsis, about half centimeter in height. Bryophytes depends on water for sexual reproduction, so-called amphibians of the plant kingdom. Bryophytes have alternation of generation, present two stages, gametophyte stage and sporophyte stage. Gametophyte stage is the independent predominant stage, but sporophyte stage is depends on gametophyte stage, short-lived stage and produces spores. Gametophyte stage produces gametes, male gametes called antherozoids, female gametes form egg cell. When female gametes fuse together form zygotes. This diploid zygote form sporophyte, and after meiosis, after haploid division, spores form and these spores develop into the gametophyte stage. So sporophyte, then gametophyte, then sporophyte and then gametophyte stage will be formed and showing the alternation of generation. Bryophytes divided into two groups, liverworts and mosses. Example of liverwort is Markensia and mosses examples are Funaria and Sphagnum. Markensia structure is here and Funaria is here. In the Markensia, if we see plant body is thallus-like. Archegoniophore is the female sex organ. Antheridiophore is the male sex organ. On the same plant body, this both sex organ or on the separate plant body, these both organ can be developed. Archegoniophore produces egg cell. Antheridiophore produce antherozoids. And these antherozoids which develop into the antheridiophore will be biflagellated and discharged into the water, and that antheridiophore go to the reach to the archegoniophore for the sexual reproduction, and there their sporophyte develop. In the Funaria, gametophyte stage is the main plant body, and on the gametophyte, sporophyte stage will be developed. This sporophyte stage will be depend on the gametophyte stage for the nutrition, for their complete development. And in the sporophyte stage, septa stalk-like structure and capsule. Inside the capsule, spores will be developed and these spores will be haploid and gametophyte stage will be formed from the spores. This gametophyte stage develop from the spores. Leaves-like structure present on the gametophyte stage and rhizoids, but these are not true leaves and not true roots. Use of bryophytes. Bryophytes body absorb moisture. Bryophytes have capacity to hold too much water, so used in packaging, in transshipment of the living organism and used to cover the grafted areas of the plant. Sphagnum, Funaria, Rixia, Markensia are some examples of the bryophytes. Sphagnum have antiseptic properties and used in dressing of the wounds. Bryophytes prevent soil erosion by making dense mat on the soil. Bryophytes decompose the rocks and provide the suitable surface for the growth of higher plants. Some bryophytes used as fuels. So this is about the bryophytes, uses of bryophytes, stages of bryophytes with the example. Liverworts example is Markensia. Moss's example is Funaria. Where found? Tallest bryophyte, shortest bryophyte. What is Zooxis? And tallest one is Dawsonia. I hope you understand today's topic.